All right, so we have this problem here from JEE Main 2025. We have been given an integral which will integrate to a function, and then we have to plug in a value to the function and its derivative, and then find sum. So we'll do this using integration by parts first. So the formula for integration part by parts is the first function into integration of the second function minus derivative of the first into integration of the second whole integration. So using this formula, let's integrate x cubed sin x dx. So we have to use the eyelet rule. So here the algebraic function a is x cubed and the trigonometric function is sin x. So a comes first, then t. So our first function is x cubed and our second function is sin x. Therefore, if we write this as I, then we can evaluate I as first function into integration of the second. So this is minus cos x minus derivative of the first, which is 3x squared, into integration of the second, again cos x whole integration. In second step, we have minus x cubed cos x plus this is 3 comes out. So x squared cos x. X squared is the first function, cos x is the second. So first function into integration of the second minus derivative of the first into integration of the second whole integration again. In the next step, we have x cubed cos x plus 3. Now this becomes x squared sin x minus twice again first function into integration of the second. So minus cos x minus derivative of the first into integration of the second whole integration. Yep. And then we have minus x cubed cos x plus 3 x squared sin x plus this is 2x cos x and integration cos x is sin x, so plus 2 sin x. Now we can open it up and write as minus x cubed cos x plus 3x squared sin x plus 2x cos x. Sorry, 3 will multiply, so it is 6x cos x plus 6 sin x. Okay, this entire function is our g of x. Now we need to find 8 times g of pi by 2 plus g dash pi by 2. So we have to find g dash x first. So we have to differentiate this function. So it will become minus 3x squared cos x, then plus 6 cube sin x plus 6x sin x and plus 3x squared cos x plus 6 cos x minus 6x sin x and plus 6 cos x. So minus 3x squared cos x and plus 6 squared cos x get cancelled. Plus 6x sin x minus 6x sin x get cancelled. And so we have x cubed sin x plus 12 cos x. Okay, now seems like we made a small mistake here. This will be a minus here. So we'll have this as a minus, and the final one will have minus 6 cos x. So we have g dash x as x cubed sine x. All right. So we have gx and g dash x. Now g of pi by 2 is, so we are plugging pi by 2 to this function right here. So it will be minus pi by 2 cube. This becomes 0. This is 3 times pi by 2 square. So 3 times pi by 2 square. This is 0 and this is minus 6. Then g dash pi by 2 will be x is cube sin x. So sin x sin pi by 2 is 1. So pi by 2 whole cube. So then this is uh, 3 pi squared by 4 minus 6, and this is pi cube by 8. So we have to find out 8 times g pi by 2 plus g dash pi by 2. So 8 times g of pi by 2 plus g dash pi by 2 will be 8 times 3 pi squared by 4 minus 6 plus pi cube by 8. This is 6 pi square minus 48 plus pi cube. Now check the coefficients. So we have the coefficient of pi square 6, coefficient of pi cube 1, and the constant minus 48. So we have alpha equals 1, beta equals 6, and gamma equals minus 48. Therefore, alpha plus beta minus gamma equals 1 plus 6 plus 48, that is 55. And that's the final answer.